From the very beginning of my academic journey, I was eager to learn and explore new horizons. With top-notch resources and opportunities at Chandigarh University, I was able to grow both academically and professionally. Be it an industry-aligned curriculum, mentorship from experienced faculty members, or access to world-class research facilities, CU always exceeds expectations. Securing a placement at Endo India Power Formulations Private Limited is really a proud moment for me. The university's career guidance, hands-on learning, and skill-building workshops played a crucial role in shaping my future. I'm really grateful to Chandigarh University for providing me the right opportunities and helping me getting this big step towards my career in the pharmaceutical industry.